Chief Minister Khemchand has assured to initiate a probe into illegal construction of Khulmi Bridge over Manipur River. Chief Minister Khemchand was speaking on the sideline of a tree plantation program which was jointly organized by Socio-Economic and Environmental Development Society, SIDS, Department of Environment and Climate Change and Editors Guild Manipur of Seeds Complex and Olympic Park in Sangaitel today. Imphal saplings were planted during the event, which was named Imphal Uyok. Lamsang MLA S. Rajan, government officials and office bearers of Editors Guild Manipur took part in a tree plantation program. Speaking on the sideline, Chief Minister Khemchand admitted that he learned only recently about the construction of a bridge over Manipur River that connects Chandel and Churachandpur district. Chief Minister further assured to initiate a probe into the construction of the bridge. And speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand also asserted that the Olympic Park will be restored and efforts will be made to restore function.
तीन औरत, दो के हस्बैंड और एक की बेटा बता रहा था कि इन लोग के पास में इन लोग को पकड़ा गया और लाइलों वैसे ही जगह पे तो इन लोगों ने रो के ये कहा कि ये 5 आदमी को हम लोग जानता है। एक प्रदीप है, उसकी वाइफ अयिंग भी है और दूसरा 3 लोग के नाम भी बताए। तो 5 के नाम बताया, उसमें 2 के नाम भी थे तो सही पकड़ा। जल्दी पकड़ने के लिए कहना काम है सरकार का। After knowing particular things, then action will come later on.